Hey everyone! Happy New Year and welcome back to the official Saucebook token YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into something absolutely game-changing, Saucery.art, the only NFT marketplace that exclusively uses our Saucebook token as currency. If you've ever wanted to create an NFT but were scared away by massive gas fees, gatekeeping, or barriers to entry, this video is for you. Because on Saucery, you can create and list your NFT with zero cost upfront. That's right, no SOL, no SCBK, no gas fees needed from you to get started. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your wallet, create your first NFT, and join over 200 artists who are already creating and selling on Saucery. Let's get started.
Before we jump into the how-to, let me explain why Saucery is revolutionary. On Ethereum or other blockchains, creating an NFT costs money, sometimes a lot of money. But Saucery flips the script entirely. Here's the deal. First, technically, Saucery is mint on demand, which means your NFT is not actually minted on the blockchain until someone buys it. When you create on Saucery, what you're doing is creating a listing for your artwork and uploading your file to decentralized storage, or IPFS. Both of those steps are completely covered by the platform. You pay nothing to list your art or upload it to IPFS. When a collector decides to buy your piece, that's when the actual mint happens on-chain, and the collector covers the minting gas, not you. Think of it like this. Your artwork and listing are ready on Saucery, but the NFT comes to life on the blockchain only when someone buys it.
Second, Saucery uses Saucebook tokens as the exclusive currency. This means every transaction strengthens the Saucebook ecosystem. There's no price volatility from multiple currencies, and the platform's growth directly benefits Saucebook token holders. Third, Saucery is built on Solana, a blockchain known for lightning-fast transactions and incredibly low costs. While Ethereum charges dollars per transaction, Solana costs fractions of a cent, so collectors also have no worries about high gas fees. And here's the kicker. We have over 100 artists already creating beautiful work on Saucery, and more are joining every single day. This is the ground floor of a growing art community. So if you've been on the sidelines thinking you couldn't afford to create NFTs, your excuse just disappeared.
All right, let's talk about what you actually need to get started. Spoiler, it's very little. You need only two things. Number one, a computer or smartphone with internet. Pretty obvious, but there it is. Number two, a Solana wallet. This is basically your cryptocurrency bank account. Think of it like a digital wallet that holds your Solana tokens and your NFTs. Currently, Phantom Wallet is the primary supported wallet for Saucery. Phantom Wallet. This is the most popular wallet for the Solana ecosystem. It's user-friendly, available as a browser extension and mobile app. Millions of people use it already. Okay, let's create your Phantom wallet right now. If you already have Phantom set up, you can just chill or skip ahead. Step 1. Download Phantom. Go to phantom.app in your web browser. You'll see a button that says Download or Get Phantom. If you're on desktop, you want the browser extension. If you're on your phone, download the Phantom app from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Install the extension. If you're on desktop, you'll be directed to the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome and confirm the pop-up. The extension will install in seconds. Step 3. Open Phantom and create a new wallet. Once installed, click the Phantom extension icon in your browser toolbar. You'll see the Phantom welcome screen. Click Create a new wallet. Step 4. Set your password. This is important. Create a strong password, at least 12 characters with uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Write it down somewhere safe. You'll need this every time you access your wallet on this device. Step 5. Save your secret recovery phrase. Here comes the most critical step. Phantom will show you a 12-word phrase called your secret recovery phrase. Stop. Do not skip this.
These 12 words are the master key to your wallet. Anyone with these words can access all your funds and NFTs, period. Here's what to do. Write these 12 words down on a piece of paper. Keep it safe, not in your phone, not in an email. Physical paper in a safe place. Why? Because if your computer crashes, if Phantom disappears, if anything happens, these 12 words will recover your wallet on any device, anytime. Do not screenshot it. Do not share it with anyone, ever.
Step 6. You're done. Congratulations! You now have a Solana wallet. You'll see your wallet address, a long string of characters. This is your public address. This is how people send you Saucebook, Solana, and other tokens. It's completely safe to share. Keep your secret recovery phrase private, but your wallet address, share it freely. Now you have a wallet. Here comes the fun part. Let's go to Saucery.art. Open your browser and go to Saucery.art. You'll see the home page. Click the button that says Connect Wallet. You'll find it near the top right. Phantom will pop up asking you to confirm your password. Once you approve, it will ask you to authorize the connection to Saucery.art. Click Connect. You're authorizing Saucery.art to access your wallet, but it can't take your funds. It can only see your balance and facilitate transactions you approve.
Once connected, the button will display your default fruit and animal username and your SCBK balance in the top right corner. Boom! You're officially on Saucery.art. Click on your fruit and animal username in the top right corner to go to your profile. Go ahead and click Edit Profile. Add your profile picture and set your desired nickname/username. Adding an email is optional. Add a little about yourself on the bio. Adding social links is optional, but we highly recommend adding your Twitter/X handle. Adding your Twitter/X handle is crucial so the community can easily find and communicate with you. Make sure you add only what comes after the @ sign, your username. For example, Mark would add Saucebook, not https://twitter.com/saucebook. Full links won't work. You can add your Discord username and website links or link tree here. Then click Save Profile.
Awesome! You are totally ready to create your first NFT at Saucery. Here's where the magic happens. Go to Create. Step 1. Upload your artwork file. The first thing you'll do is upload your artwork file. This can be a JPG file, a PNG file, a GIF file, or an MP4 video. The current file upload limit is 24 megabytes for all file types. Step 2. Add title and description. Give your NFT a compelling title. Then write a description. What is this artwork? What inspired it? Why did you create it? This is your chance to tell the story.
Step 3. Set the supply cap. Option 1. Create a one-of-one. This is a unique, unrepeatable piece. There will only ever be one of this NFT. It's perfect for original artwork, unique moments, or collectible pieces. Option 2. Create a limited edition with or without a time limit. This lets you mint multiple copies of the same artwork. For example, you could create 10, 100, or even 1,000 identical copies of a digital art piece. Each person who buys one gets an identical NFT with their own ownership. For this option, increase the edition slider to your desired maximum number of editions. Next, you can select the minting duration during which anyone can purchase as many editions as they want, only limited by the maximum editions limit set by you. The maximum time limit is 72 hours, after which the minting will close and only the editions that were actually minted will exist. If you want all the editions to be available for sale, select No Time Limit, which is the traditional way of minting limited editions. Option 3. Create an unlimited supply. Open edition.
This lets you mint unlimited copies of the same artwork. You can select the minting duration during which anyone can purchase as many editions as they want, only limited by the time limits set by you. The maximum time limit is 72 hours, after which the minting will close and only the editions that were actually minted will exist. Step 4. Set the price. Here's where Saucery's advantage shines. You set your price in Saucebook. Think about what your artwork is worth. If you're starting out, you might price your first NFT at 10K to 50K SCBK to attract buyers and build momentum. More established artists on the platform are pricing pieces at 50,000 to 100,000 plus SCBK. Remember, you can always adjust the price or relist later. This doesn't have to be perfect.
This is awesome. When someone buys your NFT and later resells it on the secondary market, you automatically get a percentage of that sale. Set your royalty percentage. 5 to 10% is typical. This creates passive income forever. Every time your work changes hands, you earn. Step 6. Review and confirm. Look over everything. Title? Check. Description? Check. Price? Check. Royalties? Check. Click Create to create your NFT listing. You don't need any cryptocurrency to create the listing. Saucery.art uploads your file to IPFS and covers the costs of storage and listing for you. The actual NFT only gets minted on-chain when a collector buys it, and at that moment, the collector covers the minting gas on Solana.
Step 7. Boom! You're live. Your NFT listing is now on Saucery.art. It's listed, it's discoverable, and people can buy it. When they do, the NFT will be minted on-chain and you'll receive SCBK as payment. And that's it, everyone. You've done it. You've created your first NFT listing on Saucery.art. If you found this helpful, please smash that like button. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next videos in this series. We're covering collecting, artist stories, SCBK utility, and other FAQs. Leave a comment below telling us what's the first NFT you're going to create. We read every comment and we'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's build Saucery together.